So we've seen what the equality operator does both for primitive types and for reference types. There's just one thing missing from that. We haven't seen what happens for non-primitive value types. Let's rectify that omission. Here's the code from the demo in the previous module, in which I declared a food type as a struct and tested whether two instances were equal using the objects.equals method. Recall that code would do value comparisons on them, but very inefficiently because for value type, objects.equals uses reflection to iterate over the fields. I'll add an additional line to compare two of the food instances using the equality operator. And look at that! It doesn't even build. The error message is cannot apply the equality operator to instances of food and food. So that tells us quite dramatically what the equality operator does for non-primitive structs. Nothing. By default, you can't use it on non-primitive structs. In fact, if you want to use it on non-primitive structs, you have to provide an operator overload on that struct. So if I want to go down the path of adding an equality operator overload for food that says what the operator should do for a food, then I would be able to make this code compile. But I'll save that for the next module when we cover overriding equality behavior for value types in depth.